What's up guys, Matt here with another gadget review, and this time we have the SafeTrack wallet, and I finally got my hands on this. I've been eyeing it for a while. I wanted to give it a review and I finally get the chance, so I'm really excited about it. The first thing I want to mention is the look and feel of this. So you can see the carbon fiber, which is a really nice design, and it feels really good in your hands as well. The size is quite compact, much smaller than your traditional, bifold or trifold wallet, which I like a lot. And it's packed with features as well. So the first thing I'll talk about is the ability to track your phone if it's ever lost or stolen. So you can throw in a Apple AirTag in there, and this little snap, you can see it's really secure, keeps your AirTag in there. And yeah, like I said, you'll be able to track this thing, whether it's stuck, in the cushion of your couch, in your gym bag. Maybe you left it in the Uber the night before. You'll be able to track your phone, or not your phone, I'm sorry, your wallet very easily. The next thing is the RFID blocking technology built into the wallet. So it's going to protect your sensitive information so that you're not a victim of identity theft, or your personal information is stolen by criminals, things like that. So that's a big bonus for me as well. The next thing is going to be the storage. So as you can see, it opens up, and we can store cards in here, we can store cards in here, probably put your ID right here, and then also back here you can fit more cards, and in here you can fit say about 20 bills or so in there. So plenty of storage. It does have a nice magnetic, almost self closing feature there, so it's nice and secure. Also, one of my favorite features about this wallet is the quick access kind of mechanism right here. So you just slide that, cards pop right up. So again, slide it, you get access to whatever you want in here. I have 6 different cards in here, and basically, put whatever cards you're using most frequently, debit card, credit cards, things like that, maybe your ID, and it's very secure. Things are not gonna come out. So overall, I really like this wallet, and I recommend that you give it a try as well. Thanks for watching.